Hey guys, welcome back to Romit Koshti. I'm your friend Sharvin. So guys, today we'll be seeing the story of MDH. So let's start. We'll see the man behind MDH, late Mahashay Dharampal Gulati ji, the Dadaji whom you see everywhere on MDH's ads, products, etc., was a refugee with no educational degree and was having a salary of 21 crore rupees. The history. Let's start a story from Chunilal Gulati, Dharampal ji's father, who had set up a shop in Sialkot, modern day Pakistan. You see, Dharampal ji wasn't really fond of studies, so he dropped out in 5th and started selling mehndis, mirrors, and even carpentry jobs. But his pockets weren't very tight even after he did these jobs, so he joined his father in the Masala business. After the India-Pakistan partition, the Gulati family first moved to Amritsar as refugees and Dadaji started as a Tongawala. But he couldn't earn money through it. So he opened a shop in Delhi in what he had his expertise. In masalas, the shop was named Mahashian the Hatti in Karol Bagh. Although they might say Mirchi Dhania Haldi as their full form, it is actually the name of their shop, which you can see right now. Here are three things using which MDH took over the world. Number one, purity and quality. When Gulati ji first saw the market, it was filled with contaminated spices. So, instead of copying others and make more money, he made purity the character and spirit of his company. And it did affect the sales. Of course, people started to say, Hatti ka masala lao, meaning bring the spices from the Hattis. Number two, short-term thinking. Unlike other masala traders, Dharampalji had a long vision and focused on a 7-letter word, quality. Dharampalji was not interested in the short-term profits of adulteration of spices. So Dharampalji sourced the best raw materials, grinding, mixing machines, etc. to make the product top-notch and giving the trust of not finding any insect inside the packet which local shopkeepers were dealing with. Okay, so one question for you. Would you buy a loose masala for 5 rupees or buy MDH's nice, hygienic, fancy, tasty masalas for just 7 rupees? Dharampalji wanted no compromise on packaging. He also made sure that his stores had an experience you had never thought of what a masala store could have been. Our teachings have always been to respect elders for their wisdom and teachings. MDH quickly learned this lesson and made Dadaji the face of MDH, just like Baba Ramdev for Patanjali. Dadaji saw that people mix different spices in order to make the dish. Well, he was the one who introduced blended masala mixes for items like pav bhaji, chole, rajma, biryani, and even chicken curry. So, people of Uttar Pradesh started making more pav bhaji, which is from the lands of Maharashtra. Another reason why these masalas were huge success because they made people of their lands their signature dishes easier, like they won Tamil Nadu with the sambar masalas. And after receiving the Padma Bhushan in 2019 and putting India on top of the world in exporting spices, MDH alone selling their products in more than 100 different countries, the man who used to contribute 90% of his salary to charity died in November 2020 at the age of 97 years. So guys, this was today. Hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe Romit Koshti for all these cool videos. Goodbye.